Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. Okay, in settings, tap on the display option and here scroll down, find the option called Screen Timeout and tap on it. And right here we have the list of durations we can select. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. For example, I'm gonna select 5 seconds, so I'm gonna tap on it and now my screen will turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.